Hello everyone, let's try to create this transition. If you like it, please like and subscribe to see more of them. Okay, let's try to create it. At first we need to add this picture. I don't know where I get it, but it's really easy. If the picture in the background, you just easily take a screenshot by pressing PTR and then paste the picture. Then you have the picture. Now what should we do? We should at first insert a new slide. So in new slide, format background and add the picture you want from here and clipboard or insert. Okay, after adding picture, you need to create these things. How we can create that? It's also easy but it has a little trick. Let's try to create it. First, we create a rectangle. Okay, our rectangle has been created. Now we need to add a curve to it. Okay, it's good. Okay, let's add it. Let's try to add a curve. I don't like this curve. Let's go with this. Okay, we are good. Now, after creating the curve, select the curve and the rectangle and then go to shape format and try to make them fragment. Okay, I don't know why the fragments look like this, but we can select them again and go to intersect. I don't see what is the problem, but we can fix it. Don't give up. We select them another time. Fragment. Okay, the fragment is appeared. We just delete the part we don't like. Really easily. Okay, but you see, we deleted the curve also. Why? Because we need to delete these parts at first and then select all of them and another time make them onion. Now we created the shape. What we need to do now, we need to create these things. How we can create that? We copy the picture and paste it in the background and then send it to back. Then select both of them and go to fragment. For example, let's see what fragment give us. Fragment give us another half of the picture, but we want this half. Let's see if we can get it. Fragment or intersect, combine. No, all of them just giving us this section of the picture, but we want another section. How we can get another section? It's really easy. We add another rectangle here, and after adding another rectangle, we just simply cut the picture for now. Select all of them, go to shape format and make them combine. Now we copy the picture, paste it here, send it to back, select both of them and then go to shape format and then combine. No, sorry. We need to send this to back. Select both of them and send combine. Intersect. You see, we have a little problem because the morph option is a little tricky. Which one of them you choose first? For example, let's say here we choose the picture first and then the shape. Go to merge. Onion is do nothing. Let's think onion is do nothing. But let's go for another effect. For example, let's go for combine. The combine do the job for us. Okay, now we format the pictures, go to picture correction, set the sharpness to -52 and the brightness to -32. Now we can make it a little less. Okay, it's good. Now we need to copy the text. The text is really easily just a text. Let me just ungroup it. The text is just easily a text that we created. We just paste them. The text, what I do for the text, if you want some hint, this text is using this formattation here And I created these two lines by using this line option here and the text. Now we select all of them and group them for making our work easier. Copy them, and then in this slide we put them back and then set the transition to morph. Let's see what has been created. It's looking great. As you can guess, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, have a nice time.